Hi, Dr. Sasse here from Sasse Surgical during this strange sort of lockdown time. I just wanted to make a point to say that one of the most important things that we can all do during this time is to get some exercise. So I know I look kind of silly with my mask, hat here, but also when you're at home you should have funny looking hair too because you're exercising. We need to make a little time every single day to do a workout. The best thing might be to go on Craigslist, get yourself a used treadmill or spin bike, and when you're watching your favorite show on Netflix, you should be on that bike or on that treadmill. But if you can't do that, it's okay because there's other things that you can do as well. Small 5-pound hand weights or books. The bottom line is that we need to keep the body in motion, and it helps our mind, it helps our body, helps our spirit. So think about exercise every single day. As I say, promise to put the shoes on, good things will happen after that. Click on the link for some more tips, and I wish you good health.